Arjuna, he thought that this is a battle, and this battle within our family, we were supposed to get kingdom. My cousin Duryodhana did not agree to give the kingdom. So here we are to fight for the kingdom. This was the conception Arjuna had at the beginning of the Gita. And so he relatively analyzed, should I kill my own cousins? Should I kill my own grandfather, my teacher? So he sort of concluded that, no, better not. It's okay, let's not have kingdom. We'll go to the forest, we'll lead it. But his friend and charioteer, Krishna, was there. And he was a little bewildered. He was bewildered. Dharma sammuda chetaha. What is my duty? There was sammuda chetaha. He was bewildered. And so he asked Krishna, Yat shreya nishchitam pruhitam me. Krishna, can you please explain what is good for me? I'm confused about my duty. And then Krishna gave him an altogether new perspective of the whole battlefield, Kurukshetra, what is going on, Arjuna, his situation, everything. Arjuna thought it was just a family feud, that I am supposed to be involved in a fight. But Krishna disclosed to him the big picture. No, you should know who you are, you should know who I am, and what this world is, what this universe is, and what this is happening here. It is actually my mission. And who am I? Aham sarvasya prabhavo matthas sarvam pravartate. I am the source of everything. Suddenly Arjuna realized, oh my God, what is this? I thought I'm just sitting in front of my cousin and he's my good friend, about the same age, contemporaries, and he has kindly agreed to become my charioteer. But now I understand, Param Brahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Acham Vibho. Oh, you are the Param Brahma. You are the source of everything. You are the cause of everything. You are the cause of all the Devatas. Oh, now I understand. So in other words, what was happening? Arjuna had a small idea. He thought it's a family feud. Krishna told him, no, this battle is of cosmogonal significance. This is of epic significance. This is something I am interested in. And you know who I am. I'm the cause of everything. I'm the source of everything. I'm the source of you, the universe, Devatas, everything. I'm the controller. Then Arjuna was, oh my God, this is what this is. That's why Arjuna says, Nashta moha smrutulabdva Tvat prasadam mayachyuta. My moha, illusion, I was thinking it's a small family feud. I should decide whether to fight or not. I can go to the... No, now I understand. Now my illusion. And smrutulabdva. And now my understanding, my remembrance of who I am, related to you, connected to you, has dawned on me. And all of this by your mercy. Gata sandeha, stithosmi gata sandeha. All my doubts have gone. Now I understand. I must work according to your order. Karishye vachanam tava. I will act according to you. So, Arjuna now realized that this battle I am involved in, it is not just for a kingdom for us, for 5 brothers. No, it is as per the Lord's plan, and He has a mission. And I am supposed to engage in that become part of the fulfillment of that mission. Like say for instance, suppose you get a letter. You are a humble man, you are thinking, I am just an ordinary Joe in this world. But suddenly you get a letter from the Prime Minister's office. And the Prime Minister is saying, we have an important national mission and I want you to participate in it. I know who you are and I have chosen you. We have a national mission with our neighbor, Pakistan. And I want you to do something. And suddenly, oh my God, I thought I'm an ordinary Joe and I'm called by the Prime Minister now. You'll feel it's very special, isn't it? Or say, for instance, you get a letter from the United Nations saying, dear so-and-so, we have heard about you. We have a global mission. And come, we want you to play a role in that. And all of a sudden I've become such an important man, involved in a global mission. Isn't it? In the same way, Arjuna thought that it was a family feud. Then Krishna is saying, no, it is my plan. I come here millennium after millennium for a certain purpose, and hence I have come here. Hardly one knows me in truth, who I am. Very few people know who I am. My birth, my activities are all transcendental. Fools think that I am just an ordinary person and they deride me. They don't know. What about common human beings? Devadanamaha naviduhu. Even devatas, the asuras, big pious people, even they don't know who I am. So like this, Krishna started speaking. Then Arjuna said, okay, Lord, now I understand. I am your part and parcel and I must serve you, and you have a mission, you are saying, I am ready to fight. And Arjuna agreed to fight. And we know what happened after.